The Nike Structure 26 is Nike's most modern take on a stability daily trainer, built to serve runners who want support, cushion, and durability without feeling locked into a bulky or outdated shoe. At first glance, the design feels sleek and updated, but once you dig into the details, you realize Nike has rebuilt this line from the ground up. Instead of relying on older technologies, the Structure 26 introduces a full-length ReactX midsole, an engineered mesh upper with plush padding, and a redesigned outsole for smoother transitions. This combination means the shoe no longer feels like an old-school stability block. It rides softer, more natural, and far more versatile. The engineered mesh upper wraps the foot with a premium step-in feel. Padded tongue and collar hug the ankle gently, and inside the midfoot, an integrated support band holds the arch securely without being intrusive. This is important because many runners avoid stability shoes for fear of stiff medial posts digging into the foot. But Nike has gone a different route, using overlays and internal bands to gently guide your stride instead of forcing it. The shoe still provides that stability daily runners need, especially if they slightly overpronate or roll inward on tired legs. But it does so invisibly, letting you focus on the run instead of the shoe. Fit is true to size for most, and Nike even offers extra wide options for runners with broader feet. Something often missing in Nike performance lines. The heel-to-toe drop is set at 10 millimeters, with stack heights of roughly 38 millimeters in the heel and 28 millimeters in the forefoot, striking a balance between cushioning and ground feel. And then there's the ReactX Foam, softer and more responsive than earlier React formulas, which brings energy return and long-run comfort that makes the Structure 26 feel equally good on easy daily mileage and mid-distance efforts. At around 300 to 320 grams for a men's size 10, the shoe is not feather light, but thanks to ReactX, it feels quicker underfoot than the numbers suggest. When you put the Structure 26 on the road, the shoe quickly shows its versatility. For easy daily runs, the foam provides enough softness to reduce pounding on the knees and joints, while the midfoot band stabilizes your stride without drawing attention to itself. On longer runs, the plush tongue and padded collar keep the fit comfortable, and the engineered mesh breaks in to form a custom-like hold over time. During moderate up-tempo or progression runs, the shoe can handle the pace shifts without bottoming out, though for true speed work or racing, you may want a lighter, snappier model like the Pegasus or Vaporfly. Still, the Structure 26 is far from sluggish, making it a reliable training partner for runners who want one shoe to cover the bulk of their mileage. The outsole has been reworked with lighter, more flexible rubber in the forefoot and harder high-abrasion rubber in the heel, giving both smooth transitions and long-term durability. Pavement and wet sidewalks are handled confidently, though it's clearly designed as a road shoe rather than a trail option. Durability is another standout feature. After weeks of testing, wear patterns show the outsole compound holds up well, especially for heel strikers, and the midsole cushioning resists packing out prematurely. Even off the road, the Structure 26 doubles up nicely as a casual shoe. The modern design and wide range of 9 colorways make it easy to pair with jeans, joggers, or shorts, meaning this is one of those rare running shoes you can run your miles in and then keep on for the rest of your day. Bright, energetic colorways pot best with neutral outfits, while classic black, white, and gray editions slide easily into everyday wear. The sheer variety ensures every runner can find a version that fits both their running and their lifestyle aesthetic. It's also priced competitively in the $140 to $160 range, keeping it in line with other premium daily trainers. And Nike's availability of wide sizing and regional exclusives make it easier to find a perfect fit than older versions of the Structure. So who exactly should buy the Structure 26? The answer is any runner who craves stability and guidance but doesn't want the harsh, intrusive feeling that older stability shoes used to bring. If you have mild to moderate overpronation, log steady weekly mileage, and want a daily trainer that is cushioned, supportive, and versatile, the Structure26 should be at the top of your list. Neutral runners who sometimes need extra support on recovery days may also enjoy it, since the stability is subtle rather than overwhelming. If you're chasing personal bests or marathon PRs, you'll probably want to complement it with a lighter tempo or racing shoe. But for everyday training, commutes, long walks, and casual style, the Structure26 does everything well. Against Nike's own Pegasus and Vomero, it fits right in as the stable sibling. The Pegasus is more neutral and snappier for speed days. The Vomero more plush and luxurious for cushion lovers. While the Structure26 lands in the sweet spot of stability plus comfort. Compared with rival brands, it competes directly with the Brooks Adrenaline GTS and the Asics GT2000, offering the same dependable stability, but with a sleeker look and softer ride. Add in the ReactX midsole, the plush padded upper, and the durable outsole, and you've got a shoe that feels just as good after 10 miles as it does when you're running errands around town. Nike has succeeded in modernizing the Structure line, making the 26 one of the most balanced stability trainers available today. It's not just a tool for runners who need guidance. It's a versatile sneaker that crosses over into lifestyle effortlessly. That's why for October 2025, with all 9 colorways releasing across global markets, the Nike Structure26 stands out as one of the smartest buys you can make. If you're serious about comfort, performance, and style, smash that like button if this breakdown helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more real sneaker reviews and detailed running shoe guides every week.